Okay, so today we are going to resume demolition. We're going to try and get all the flooring up in here, get all the drywall insulation down, maybe do the ceiling, and then depending on how far we get, into the hallway.
We've only got a few hours until it's supposed to start thunderstorming, so we're trying to get a bunch of stuff done and out into the dump trailer and to the dump before it starts raining in about 4 hours.
We'll see how
see
that
what we
goes.
can get done. So just a little piece of information. Initially, we were planning on doing this room by room. We were going to do the kitchen, which we tore out first, and fix it all up, all the drywall, new insulation, all that good stuff, then move on to each room. We've discovered through demo that most of the plumbing and electrical needs to be redone. So now we're just going to tear out the entire place first and redo electrical and plumbing before we start doing any renovations and rebuilds. Okay, so we're getting ready to start demo on the hallway and the bedrooms and bathroom and such. We were looking at the roof, and because of the way this is built, that roof, that ceiling panel actually goes above the wall that's separating the living room from the first bedroom. So we have to decide what we're gonna do there. We were already considering bumping out that wall by the 6 inches to bring it to here anyway. But we might be able to just move the whole wall piece as it is, as it's just kind of screwed and into the ceiling and bolted into the floor.
Yeah, he did. Oh, that ain't gonna work that way.
What's not gonna work?
Drywall's in between the two walls.
Oh, lovely. This is built so freaking easy.
Yep.
Like, I don't understand it. Like, why, like...
There's probably a time efficiency reason in. These are probably built modularly and assembled. So these walls were built outside, brought in, and stood up in already with the drywall on them.
I'm probably gonna need get this onto the pile of stuff.
Yeah, it's heavy.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Why you gotta be so mean?
I don't know.
You're so violent.
Yep, that goes behind the wall too.
Huh?
Goes behind the wall.
Yeah. Well, that's what we're so, I mean, do we
Yeah.
take this wall down?
All right, so we decided not to go to the dump today because we don't feel like dealing with rain, and we didn't know how we were going to feel this afternoon or how quickly the rain was going to get here. So we've got our piles of trash, we got our insulation all bagged up. There's the ceiling panels. We got as much of that room gutted as we can. Some of that drywall goes back behind the wall, so we got to get these walls out. We did get the hallway mostly cleared. There's still a little bit of insulation that needs to come down and get bagged up. And then I came into this back bedroom and started getting a little bit of this torn out. But honestly, we're both tired. It's hot, it's humid. And I think we are going to go get some lunch, get hydrated. And we may or may not be back this afternoon. So
We'll see you whatever next time is.
yes, either later today or tomorrow or next weekend. See ya. So we decided to go ahead and come back over today and get a little bit more done. Probably just going to try and get this room done and then that little bit of insulation out of the hallway, and then probably call it a day. All right, so got all the drywall out of this bedroom. Still have to do insulation on these 3 exterior walls. Still got to do the ceiling, and then the only thing left to gut would be the bathroom. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this week's episode.
Well,
Probably, well,
I mean, if we do something tomorrow.
we might do something tomorrow. Anyway,
So that's it for today. Anyway.
that's it for today. Bye.